gate, made her way downtown. Yeah, your heart about to break, but you gon' ride another round. Round and around she go. You might need a little more room if you wanna take her back home tonight. Ooh, cause she got that black blues with the red lips, sipping on cloud while she kissing on me. Wild child with the Southern Belle style, kind of girl you only see in your dreams. She the
Your horse's face is in my horse's ass.
His face is not in your horse's ass.
Yes, it is.
I might just put it in his face. Not in it.
Why you like the Bucks?
I just like Giannis. I can care less about the team.
Also, you like me, you care about the players, not the team?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know nothing about basketball.
So who you think gonna win this year? With all the trades and
Fuck
stuff that
these
went down.
sports.
You good, man? I ain't that fat, right? Oh my God, he's about to smack me in the face. Dude. I swear he did that on purpose. He's getting a little faster now. Oh, my balls, my balls, my balls, my balls, my balls, my balls.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
yeah, she's something wild. You might need a lasso, lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around like a lasso. Bring it in, throw it out, spin around like a lasso.
There's no way we're going in the water. In the water?
Bye.
He just like eating. Oh my God, you're really going in the water?
Yeah. Make sure you lean back.
We're actually going in the water.
Oh, fuck.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, let's not do that, what they doing.
Kick him in.
No, I think we good over here.
What the heck? I thought you was already in the water.
Kick him in. You got it. Lift his head up, kick him in. Let's
Go, go.
Safe.
Oh, don't do it. Safe, stay safe, please. Oh shit. Please don't fall. Please don't fall.
Peter, like, I don't want to.
Kick him in.
Come on, Safe, go.
Let's go, Safe. Come here.
Oh, he a little bougie.
You don't like the water.
Oh, man, this course will get along well.
Go ahead, let him drink.
Hey, calm your horse and just whack some water in my face. So, which one's like the head honcho of these three? For real? Oh my God. Hey, go ahead, honcho. Go ahead, honcho.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck? You're always falling behind.
Come on. Go. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes, yes. You did it, buddy. You did it, buddy. I can't believe we actually went in the water, dude.
No, go.
I had a very good time.
Okay, your mouth is all in there. I don't like it. Old Yeller down the road.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Listen to the wind blow. Watch the sun rise.
So how did you feel about the horseback riding?